Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to do a card dribble. So it is a basic move which looks super cool and it's very easy to perform, and once you master this move you can also do an anaconda flourish and riffle fan and also side dribble. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is how a dribble looks like. Once again. Now for the dribble, the prerequisites will be the grip. So if you haven't checked that video, make sure you check that out and you come back here. Okay, so to do a dribble, you place your middle ring and pinky finger on the short edge, thumb at the bottom left corner and index on the long edge, like this. Then you are going to apply the upward pressure with your thumb, and at the same time you are going to apply the downward pressure with your index finger, like this. Then you release the tension with your thumb, which will allow the card to dribble one at a time. Now for the practice purpose, you start in this position like this and you dribble one card at a time, and then you can increase the speed. So this is going to be your phase 1. Now for the phase 2, you are going to place the deck in this grip like this and you dribble one card at a time. Now for the catching. Now how to catch a dribble? So with your left hand you are going to move your index finger forward like this. That's it. And you dribble the cards and it is going to be stay in the same position and you can square it up. Now you know how to dribble the cards, how to catch the card. Now it's time to increase the height between the two hands. So first you're here, then you move a little bit upward and you dribble the card. Also, while dribbling you may have noticed that my index finger slides along this edge, this long edge. This is the most important part. Now once you master this dribble, you can easily do the side dribble. Side dribble. So for the side dribble, the grip is going to be the same, but with your left hand you are going to place your thumb over here and you dribble one card at a time, like this. You can also increase the height and you also let go with your thumb. Just make sure you don't drop any of the card. And that's it. That's how dribble and side dribble works. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Also follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. Till then, goodbye.